Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, we need to start with developments on the global front. The Delta strain is stoking doubts about achieving herd immunity to underpin economic reopening, just as Chinese activity slows and the Federal Reserve eyes a gradual reduction of emergency stimulus. That mix puts global stocks and commodities on course for one of their worst week this year. In the US, analysts cautioned that options expiration due Friday may be fueling volatility. On the domestic front, for the fifth consecutive day, the indices climbed to fresh record highs to 16,701. But due to the pressure of weekly expiration of contracts and the bank holiday, which was on Thursday, the market closed at the lowest point of the day. By closing at the lowest point of the day, we could see further weakness in the market, and for that we need to see that whether the market breaks 16,500 or not. But the way Singapore Nifty is suggesting us that it is going to open the market at least 150 to 200 points lower, we are of the view that the markets are going to open somewhere close to 16,400 or 350 levels. There the market is having very good support. Earlier resistance was around 16,350, and in case if we see the market is falling to those levels, then certainly we should look for adding some long positions with a medium term view. The reason is because 16,350, 16,300 is also having supports of 20 days simple moving average and multiple other averages, as well as extension and retracements. So certainly these levels are going to help the markets, and we may see some short term bounce back in the market. So these are the levels. 16,350, 400 are important levels to keep a close watch in today's date. For the bank nifty also, we are expecting similar sort of action, that after opening lower we are expecting some rebound, as most of these stocks like ICICI Bank, State Bank would turn more attractive in terms of their upside potential. For the day, again we are going to keep a close watch on those stocks which are related to reopening themes like Bata India or United Spirits, McDowell. Apart from that, we are going to keep a close watch on few auto companies like Bharat Forge, Bajaj Auto, or Tata Motors. The reason is because now commodities have taken some breather, and we saw some correction in crude prices, substantial correction in crude prices from 75 to almost 65. While looking at other floats, then FIs have reduced their long positions as well as short positions on Wednesday, but retailers have closed their call writing, but they have increased their put writing, so that may trigger some unwinding in the first half of the trading. And finally, if we go through with option statistics, then 16,500, 400 was the level where we saw some huge amount of put writing. But in case if we see the market is opening let's say by 100, 150 points, then we can expect furthermore unwinding on the put writing side. So in that case, the possibilities of hitting 16,400, 350 would turn bright. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.